off, and as you sit in the silence, the longer you sit, the quieter it gets. And then that's where magic can happen. So we're going to practice that. See how I set that up? Huh? We'll just do 5 minutes, I promise. Okay, and I'll keep the time, so you don't have to worry about it. I'll even get my timer open. All right, so I invite you, and if we can dim the lights a little, that would be super awesome. Yeah. So I invite all of us to just take a moment here and find a spot either on the ground, or if you're comfortable, close your eyes. Just find a place where you can soften your gaze and just allow yourself to be breathed into each moment. There's nothing else to do except to sit and be present to whatever is going on through your head. Just be present and allow it to unfold. And so I invite you to take a nice gentle breath in. Let that go. Let's bring alive our attitude of gratitude. And just let your gratitude be felt throughout this room or wherever you're joining us from. Just bring your gratitude to all of this community in its entirety for joining us here today, for being part of this. That's the sound. It's time. So thank you, all of you. And also gratitude for yourself. Don't forget to be grateful for yourself for taking the time to practice, for taking the time to be in community. Part of my gratitude practice every day is to be thankful about something of myself, building that self-appreciation, continuing to understand that I'm part of this. It's not just life out there, it's life in here. So, namaste.